So to jump right in, we're going to click on the big white button. It'll take us over to the pricing engine. And once we're in the pricing engine, we're going to look over to the left-hand side, and it says full doc. Click on that. Purchase is the example we're doing at the moment. Property value, whatever you're buying the house for, $200,000. The difference, what we're financing. So FHA down payment's 3.5%. The balance in this particular case would be 96.5%. Click update. Keep scrolling down. Put in the zip code of where we're at. Occupancy, we want to own. We're going to own or occupy. If you got less than best credit, 580 is the minimum. Unless you're going to put 10% down. Single family home. FHAs are option over here. Click up to the top. Refresh rates. Click on that. So this is the products that we have available. 30-year fix, your interest rate, your APR, your points at your cost. If it was green, it'd be credits coming back to you, money coming back to you. And then over to the right over here, we have the monthly payment, principal and interest, mortgage insurance. Does not include taxes and insurance. Click on view fees. Scroll down to qualify now. We're going to put the total monthly income, pre-tax. We're talking about gross, right? For the household, total monthly, whatever that is in this particular case, $6,000 is what we're putting in here. Scroll down, property tax, you know what it is, put it in there. Homeowners insurance, put it in. HOA, put it in. Click show me more information. Credit card payment, $500, what the minimum payment. If you got a student loan, not a loan, put it in there. If it's less than 10 payments, don't put it in there at all. But $500 is the number we'll use here as an example. So we put all that information in there. We're trying to do this in less than 3 minutes. And we'll scroll back to the top. So it says we're good so far. It looks promising. Scroll down just a little bit here. Click apply now. On the following page, we want the pre-approval letter. So we go ahead and click on pre-approval letter. And then on the following page, put our email address. Click next. Follow the prompts and then upload all your information. If you need some help, just DM me. I'll be more than happy to follow you through the process.